Morning everyone, how you all doing? You good? Excellent. My name's Kyle. So today we're going to be doing is just like a general overview of Sabre. So we're going to be looking at your commands, how to book flights, how to book seats, how to check schedules, all that information. If you're all logged in, you should see a screen that's similar to this. Now, certain parts, my screen may look a little bit different because I'm working off of an emulator. However, on the right-hand side, you'll see a list of different options. Just going to go through some of the more important ones that you're going to be using a little bit more often. So you've got your point and click option. That one, so if you have forgotten the native entry and you just literally want to click on it, fill out the boxes, you can do things such as booking flights, booking car hire. The next one that is very important is your encode decode. If everyone could just click on that one for me. You can also bring it up by doing Control D as well. Now, if you've got a drop down box there, so if you just click on that for me, you can see all the different options that you've got for encoding and decoding, such as currency, city codes, airport codes. You've got a huge amount of options there, and I'll give you the native entries for those shortly as well. Next one, again, this one is extremely important, is your format finder. Now that is basically your built-in helping system. So if you click on that, on the left-hand side, you'll see all the different options, and what that will do is it will actually give you the commands for what it is that you need to do. So if you need to modify a car or something like that, you can actually get all of the commands straight there in that format finder. So it is very, very useful. The next one, now this is going to be an account-based option. You'll have the quick keys and the PF keys. Your PF keys will be basically a shortcut into your account-based script, so you will be getting all of that at a later stage. The managers will be providing all of that for you. Quick keys are very, very useful. If you basically click on your quick keys, you can set it up so you put in the native command one time, save it to that button, you click on the button and it will automatically put that command in for you. So something as simple as if you want to confirm a hotel, for example, and you want to put in the credit card details, you click on that button and then all you need to do is just fill in the card number and the details, and it will just save you quite a lot of time. As if you want to switch pseudo, all you have to do is AAA and then the pseudo. So for example, AAA 2FZB, and that'll switch you into that pseudo. You'll also notice here at the top, you have the different areas. So you can actually work on 6 bookings at the same time if you need to. You can just click through those areas and you'll have fresh page to work off. Now, you can bring across bookings in numerous different ways. So if you have the PNR, oh, actually, before I forget, you'll hear me saying display, change key and cross the Lorraine quite a lot today. Now your display key is your plus key, which will come up as an asterisk, and that's what we call display key. You have the change key, which is your left square bracket, and that comes up as almost, it's like a dodgy looking square. And then the last one is cross the Lorraine, which is your at key. And that looks, some people say it looks like a rabbit. The other way that you can actually change screens, instead of just clicking through, is you can do your change key and then the letter of the area that you want to go into as well. To bring across a booking, if you have the PNR, you can do the display key and then you can do the letters of the PNR. That's one way. If you don't have the PNR and you want to search for the booking via the name, it is display dash and then the surname. You can do display dash the date of the booking dash the surname as well. That's always a useful one. And also you can check via the pseudo as well. So you can do display dash the pseudo, or if you don't know the pseudo, you can put 4 X's dash the surname again, and that will bring up a list of all the bookings under that name. So if you wanted to go into one of those bookings on the list, you can just do display and then the number, which the name is of the booking that you want to go into.